Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you all how to achieve this ombre passion twist look. I think it's super cute for the springtime / summertime. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Here is what I used for my hair. I used the Free Twist Water Wave in the color TT530, 22 inches. I used the Cream of Nature 24-hour Edge Tamer. I've never used it before, this is my first time, but I seem to like it. Small rubber bands to put my hair into little tiny ponytails. Duck bills to clip my hair back. And a mousse for the finished end look. Okay, so the first thing I did was part my hair into medium-sized sections, and then I took a little bit of the edge control and placed it on the base of my hair, the roots of my hair. And then for the front part only, I took a rat tail comb and combed it back just so that my edges could lay a little more flat. Then I took a rubber band and tied it around about 4 or 5 times. And then I just did that for the rest of my hair. So here is what my hair looks like when I'm all finished putting my hair into ponytails. My hair is blow dried, by the way. I don't think I said that, but I did blow dry it before I put it into the ponytails. There are about 43 ponytails in total. Okay, so here is what my hair is looking like. I am almost done. I have 2 rows left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the rows and put it into a little pony so that it can be out of the way. And I'm going to take one of the little ponytails and clip the rest back so that the other parts of my hair can be out of the way. Now I'm going to take a strand of hair, or one piece of the hair, and fluff it out like so. I actually used 2 pieces for my hair all over my head. So here's the other piece that I'm fluffing out. I'm going to take the 2 pieces, put them together, and twist it like so, and then grab it with my fingers so that I can be able to hook the crochet hook onto it. So I'm going to take the crochet hook and put it under the rubber band, put it onto the latch, close the latch, put it through onto the hook. Take one side of the 2 pairs. Make sure you do not take more than one side, because if you pull that, it might mess up the knot at the top of your hair. So I took one side and I pulled it tight. I also divided my hair and pulled my hair tight as well. Now I'm going to take the 2 and I'm going to do like a little rope twist while pulling up. On the part where my hair is, I don't really pull up too much because I do not want to tangle my hair. So I just pull up slightly. But once you get to the ends, you can start, pulling up a little more. I also took some edge control and put it at the ends of my hair so that I can blend well, and then I continued to twist. Okay, so once I get close to the end, I'm going to be making little knots by taking my 2 fingers, putting it through one strand, taking the other strand and pulling it through. I'll show it again. I'm going to take my 2 fingers and put it through one strand to make a little hole, then pull the other strand through, just so my twist won't unravel. I think I saw the Boho Babe do that. I'm not sure. I could be making the stuff up, but I'll link her video down below. Once I'm done twisting, I twirl the ends around with my fingers so it can be curly, and that's what it looks like. Yep. So I'll just repeat the same process all throughout my head. By the way, I bought 7 packs of hair, but I only used about 5.5 packs. Also, at the end, when you're finished with your hair, you can put the mousse on your hair. I forgot to show that part. And I also oiled my scalp, so you can oil your scalp with your favorite oil. Okay, so here's the finished look. I think it looks really cute. I hope you all like it. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!